Website, Google Doc or PDF into $67.93 per hour affiliate commission machine. In just 47 seconds. Literally zero work required for beginners with zero experience to get results with this. Turns your own or other people's websites, documents and PDFs into traffic, leads and commissions. No content, no website, no hosting required. Beta testers are making $100 per day. 4-figure a day case study included. World-class customer support. 30-day no questions asked money back guarantee. Do nothing gift pays us $100 day. Black Friday plus Cyber Monday free gift -1, premium autoresponder software. Never pay monthly fees to a Weber ever again. Black Friday plus Cyber Monday free gift -2, our best-selling traffic generation software. Black Friday plus Cyber Monday free gift -3, our upcoming software launching on the 20th of December. Grab eLLite now to save $50. Usually $67 month, today only one time $17. Click here to get started now. Grab your copy now, before this expires. Hurry, the price rises in. Product link and description. The price really goes up. ACT now to get a bargain. 3 steps is all it takes. Step number 1 - get your access. Grab your personal access before the price increases. Step number 2 - hijack. Log in and enter any URL you want to hijack commission from. Step number 3 - succeed. We enjoy free visitors, leads that make us on average $67.93 per hour affiliate commissions. eLLite delivers real leads and affiliate commissions. Like this. Visitors that turn into $67.93 an hour for us. Commissions that result financial freedom. In fact, these beginners in our testing group also got results. Grab eLLite now to save $50. Usually $67 month, today only one time $17. Click here to get started now. Grab your copy now, before this expires. Hurry, the price rises in. Product link and description. The price really goes up. ACT now to get a bargain. Date, October 29, 2021. From the desk of Mosh. Location, Dubai, UAE. To the frustrated, confused and struggling beginner. Why you're not making money online. Dear frustrated marketer. 2021 is gone. Have you hit your income goal this year? Have you made money or spent money? Here is the truth. After the lockdown was finally over, we have seen the rise of apps and softwares that made outrageous promises about making money online. They literally promised overnight wealth. Product link and description. We've seen promises like make money for sharing photos, make money for posting on social media, make money for listening to music, make money for watching ads, make money for watching videos, make money for uploading documents. To be honest, they all work, but with a twist. I'll tell you what the twist is. But first, let me ask you a question. Have you made your first $100 from any of those applications? If your answer is no, you haven't made your first $100 online from any of those applications. Then this is the single most important letter you're reading to make money before Christmas and continue making money on 2022. The truth is, one can only earn a few pennies after spending hours, if not days, using those apps and systems. Are you still buying push-button softwares that never deliver? I used to buy too before I started making money. You see, I was born in a third world country and now living in the dream city Dubai. I have been in the business since 2010, But it wasn't until recently that I found something that actually works: affiliate marketing. Now I make 7 figures per year from affiliate marketing with no more hard work or dreaming about money, because the system now makes me money. If you're looking, affiliate marketing has been the most reliable and predictable income stream. But I was able to make it completely passive by turning the long, boring, manual work into fun and interesting one-click application. My journey wasn't easy. My email inbox used to be like this. One day I purchased a product that promised $100 per day income. Nice product. But before I made any money, I received an email from the product seller promoting another product. I asked myself, if his system worked, why did he promote affiliate offers? I got curious and I went back to my email inbox and realized that all I have been doing so far was purchasing products. Purchasing more from email promotions. Every time I purchased a new product, I signed up to the product creator's email list and purchased more and more. I couldn't blame them because they were helpful and emails were helpful as well. But the problem was, I wasn't making any more. I was spending all my income from my credit card. Rich were getting richer while I was buying. Sellers were making money, and their affiliates were making commissions. Rich were making more and more money and getting richer while they were at sleep. Poor was getting poorer. I was the one getting poorer every day by buying new shiny products every day. I felt frustrated because I wasn't making any money. I felt angry that these people were taking advantage of me. I felt sad that I wasn't able to make money online like everyone else seems to be able to do. Suddenly I discovered product link and description. Successful affiliate marketers don't buy shiny offers. More shockingly, you ready for this? They don't even use their own products and softwares. All they do are, they use opt-in pages. They attract internet users by sharing free stuff and information that are available online. They send all their traffic to opt-in pages and build subscribers list. They send emails to build trust and relationship. Make money by sending affiliate offers when the trust is built. Rinse and repeat the process. But list building and email marketing are boring mosh. I know what you are saying. Email marketing is an array of boring tasks. They take a lot of time and skill. Regular steps to list building are: use autoresponder, create a list on autoresponder. Lead page, make lead pages. Lead magnets, build lead magnets. Email writing, write email follow-ups. Make money, create funnels to make money. Wouldn't it be nice to have a one-click solution to do all the above with zero work? No landing page creation. No copywriting. No lead magnet. No email writing. No struggle with traffic. Just copy and paste an URL and let the app do the rest. That's exactly what we do and enjoy. Affiliate commission $67.93 per hour. Yes, we have solved the problem. And this took us from point A. No leads, no sales, no making any money online. Point B, an abundance of leads and affiliate commissions like a pro affiliate that makes us $67.93 per hour. Well, like I said, my team have been quietly working on a new software that turns any website or any document into lead page, lead magnet and traffic hub. No more making boring, time-consuming landing pages, lead magnets and expensive traffic for marketing. This will blow your mind. We've literally created the shortcut to life-changing affiliate commissions. Here is how eLLite turns any URL into commission. Hijack any URL. Copy, paste and click. Copy and paste any URL, and just clicks to select sections you want to keep. Edit if you want. Or keep as is. URL magically turns into